Welcome back. Well, today we have Jo Herendeen from the Christian Women's Connection, and she's all dressed up for a luau.
Oh, yeah.
You are.
Just want to remind everybody, come and have a little taste of Hawaii.
Yes, great to have you here today.
It's just fun.
Yes, and you are having a couple things going on, and the first one is August 20th, right? I think.
August.
Oh, no, actually the first one is August 15th, and that is the Inks Prayer Coffee, The Power of Friendship. So that one comes up first.
Yes,
So that is would be Thursday of next week.
Yes.
And is this, both these things, this is an RSVP, get a hold of B, but both of these things that people are invited to, even
Yes.
if they're not part of
Yes.
the club, right?
Yes. We
Yeah.
need prayer to back up everything we do.
Yes. So tell us about the first one, and that's going on next week.
Well, everything we do is with color. And,
Right.
And it's just exciting to be involved in anything concerning our Christian Women's Club, which is, goes back 80 years since the first one. And B. Barang is leading this Power of Friendship. And we just ask everybody that can attend both that they would come.
Okay.
Because
Yes.
this is the prelude to our Christian Women's Club.
Right. And that one, again, they're open
Yes, it's
to
open.
anyone who'd like to go. So that
Yes.
one will be next Thursday, August 15th, and that will be in, where is that? It's the what room? The lounge room? Outside of Gate 5. Okay. So that's over there.
Yes.
And is that in Clubhouse 5? Excuse me, not Clubhouse 5. Is that, which clubhouse is that in?
The lounge room?
Yeah, I don't know where that is.
Well, if it says it's out of Clubhouse 5, I haven't looked
Well, it says
at...
Gate 5, so I wasn't sure where that is.
No, that's Gate 9. And
Okay.
Clubhouse is Gate 9.
Yeah.
So Gate 5,
Is that at someone's home?
that would be, yes.
Okay, that's
That
why.
is in the,
Okay.
in a special ladies,
Okay.
the room underneath the garages.
Yes,
in
and the three-story buildings.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. That's
so
why I
it's
was a
very
little confused by
relaxing and
that.
very beautiful.
Okay, and then the following week on Tuesday the 20th, this is
yes.
your
This is what I
big
get
event.
so excited about.
Yeah.
Yeah. I used to live in Hawaii, so this brings back memories.
Oh,
Anybody
great.
that has been there, and if you haven't been there, then this is just a touch of Hawaii. It's going to be fun with hula dancing and
Wow.
Wonderful food and our speaker, Beauty Among the, and she was rescued from the Holy Gym fire.
Right.
And she's speaking about beauty out of ashes. And our inspirational speakers are just marvelous.
Right.
They keep you on the edge of your seat.
Yeah, that'll be a great talk that happened. In fact, we were just
so
looking it up
exciting.
because I live up near there. That was a year ago. It was in
Yes.
August. In fact, at almost the same date is your meeting here a year before.
Oh,
it was
my
right
God.
around August 20th that happened over those days.
And
so.
you lived through that.
Yeah, we don't live in Holy Gym, but we're certainly close enough there. We could hike up there
Yeah.
if we wanted to, so it's not that far from
Yeah.
us.
Well, it's an exciting time. I always am thrilled when I get to talk about our
Yeah.
Christian Women's Connection.
Yes, that'll be a lot of fun. Now, beyond your speaker there, this is a luncheon, right? So.
Oh yes, with Tomas, we have
Yeah.
a buffet, and this is 5 stars. This is usually held in a country club or a hotel, but because we get the privilege of doing the clubhouse, it's like half the price.
Yeah.
And you're going to have a wonderful day. I hope you can come.
And it's
We're
only
inviting
14. Well,
everybody.
thank you. It's only $14. So.
Yes, and in some of the others, it's really worth it.
Now you know the food you're going to have yet?
No, but it's Tomas is always he always surprises
And
us
obviously
with
sort of Polynesian
vegetarian.
thing. Okay.
Yeah, so everyone has what they want,
Okay. Well, that's going to be a lot
and
of fun.
all you can eat.
Okay. Now, you got to call for reservations.
Yes, that's
on this.
that's my number on there.
And 949-939-2431.
Listen.
And it's important for this because obviously it's catered. They have to
Yes,
know how
it
many
makes
people are
it
going to be
easy.
there. There's limited space, so make sure people do that.
Yeah, we do receive walk-ins, but it's always good to have your reservation because we set up that many tables, and
Right.
then we have to rush, and we're always glad to set up more tables.
Well, that'll be a lot of fun.
Yeah, and people that are new,
Yes.
they could get acquainted.
And everybody, you got to dress like Joe.
We can even go a little wilder if you want.
Okay.
But it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah, that will be. It'll be a great event. And again, if you want to go there next week for their basically a prayer meeting,
Yeah.
and that will be on Thursday, August 15th. And all this information, if you go online to the club pages, you can find out.
That's right.
Yeah.
And I always encourage anybody, if they want to call and find out more about it, I'd be glad to tell them.
Okay.
It's a place to meet new people. So we have newcomers coming in all the time.
Yeah.
And it's just a friendly place. You don't meet a stranger in there. We try to be very friendly with everybody and encourage everybody to bring their daughter or their husband. We have men invited especially sometimes. We have a man speaker.
Oh, great.
So
men can come to either one of these
we
events?
yes,
Okay.
we receive them too.
All right.
They're welcome.
All right.
We love them.
Just wear Hawaiian shirts. Yes.
Yes, if Hawaiian attire, or put a flower in your hair, you know.
Okay. All right.
Not you.
That'll be a lot. Well, I have plenty of those shirts, believe me. I don't know about flowers in my hair, but you know,
It's okay.
I grow plumerias in my yard, so I can
Oh, wow.
probably pick them and we'll
Well,
be all
sure.
set.
Maybe I'll come by a midnight supply
Okay.
to decorate.
All right. Very good. Joe, thank you very much. Always good to see
it's
you.
so nice to see you.
You take care.
again.
And we'll
You're so-
announce this for you again coming up next week.
Oh, good.
All
good.
right. Because we
Thank
got to
you.
RSVP.
That's
Very
wonderful.
important, especially mainly for the luncheon.
And as soon as they can make their reservations, it would be nice.
Okay. Yeah.
I try to be on the phone, but sometimes I'm not right there.
All right. But
Okay.
give Joe a call, and she can help you out. Again, 949-931-2431. We'll be right back.